I think Lana has put on some weight recently. Maybe she's pregnant. Have you heard? Zoe says that Lana is pregnant. What? Listen, Nat says that Zoe says that Lana is pregnant. That's amazing. Is it a boy or a girl? What? I'm not pregnant. But everybody says you are.
We use reported speech to report what someone said. In order to report it, we need reporting verbs such as say or tell. We can report what someone said using direct or indirect speech. Take a look at these two sentences. One of them is an example of direct speech and the other one is an example of indirect speech. Can you tell me which one is which? So the first one is direct speech and the second one is indirect speech.
When we use direct speech, we repeat someone's exact words. When we use indirect speech, we report what someone said, but we don't use exactly the same words. Using that is optional. Visit my Etsy shop for more exercises. Link in description.
Direct speech is quite easy because we just use someone's exact words with inverted commas and we use a reporting verb. For example,
I will go shopping, said Dad. I didn't like the film, said Mary.
but sometimes we have to use indirect speech. So how do we do that? Let's have a look.
I will invite Sophie to the party.
Freddie said he would invite Sophie to the party.
I have already invited Sophie.
Thomas said he had already invited Sophie. Can you see what changed? Will changed to would, and have invited changed to had invited.
This change is called backshift. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, for example, he said, she told me, we change the tenses in reported speech. The rule is that we use a tense that goes further back in the past, so present simple becomes past simple becomes past perfect, and so on. Let's have a look at some examples.
I hate your cats.
He said he hated my cats. I'm writing a book. She said she was writing a book. I didn't see Julie yesterday. I said I hadn't seen Julie the day before.
I was driving my car.
He said he had been driving his car. I haven't eaten. I said I hadn't eaten.
I will go with you.
He said he would go with us. I can't swim. I said I couldn't swim. I shall call him. She said she should call him.
I must go.
He said he had to go.
Past perfect continuous, would, could, and should do not change in reported speech. They remain the same. In some cases, we do not change tenses in reported speech. There is no backshift when the reporting verb is in the present or future. For example,
I like skating, she says. She says she likes skating.
there is no backshift when someone talks about things that are always true. For example,
The earth revolves around the sun, he said. He said the earth revolves around the sun.
you might have noticed that tenses are not the only thing that changes in reported speech. Depending on the context, we might also have to change pronouns, demonstratives, and adverbs of time and place.
I like your hairstyle, said Laura. Laura said she liked my hairstyle. I love you, Ricky told his daughter. Ricky told his daughter he loved her. I'm going to buy my first car, said Beth. Beth said she was going to buy her first car. This is a nice car, said Carol. Carol said this was a nice car. Carol said that was a nice car. These are my favorite shoes, said John. John said these were his favorite shoes. John said those were his favorite shoes. I want to live here, said Jo. Jo said she wanted to live here. Jo said she wanted to live there. I'm cleaning my room now, said Ted. Ted said he was cleaning his room then. We will go shopping tomorrow, said Jen. Jen said we would go shopping the next day.
And now let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!